Greetings, beloved human family and divine creators. I am Gilles Mancillon, and I come to you very briefly today to speak of different things. I thank you for tuning in. I hope this message will have some meaning and be of service to you. Essentially, I wanted to say that we're coming out of a very, very stressful cycle. Everybody's been stressed through this transition period, but there is no need to struggle anymore. Everything will happen if we keep our faith and our hope and our trust in the light, in the love that is. There is the energetic grid that is the fifth dimension is already there. We don't need to create it. We can always add to it, but we just need to attune, align, allow, harmonize ourselves with this energy, and things happen naturally. The idea of no pain, no gain is a false concept that we need to struggle to get what we need, because that will keep us in struggle. Even when we get what we need, we'll still be struggling to get more. So it is important to choose the path of ease and to understand that there is no need to produce huge efforts to achieve ascension, to achieve your dreams and desires. They can come to you naturally and without effort. As the sun shines, it doesn't need your effort, your conscious effort for making it shine, or the earth turns, or the flower bloom. Those things happen naturally, and it is the same thing with the path of ascension. And of course, also there is no need to rush anything. Things will happen naturally when it is the right time. There are people that are trying to get shortcuts. I don't know if that ever happened to you, but I thought I bring that up in case it happens. Is that they don't necessarily have the power, the charisma, and so they attach themselves to negative entity from the fourth dimension, such as in Faust, for instance. So they're selling their energies to gain power, to gain money, to gain sex, to get power over, and so sometimes those people are coming to you and they overwhelm everything within you, and it's like they're sticky. They just can't be shaken. And so it is important to when that happens, if that happens, to not be to not allow them to victimize you, but to call on the Archangel Michael if necessary. He will come with his sword and will chop up in pieces the little demon that's behind this energy, in order to and then after that, you'll see that the person has completely lost his power over you. This is just, and also you help that person liberate itself from that bond that they created unconsciously, because they're playing, they're fooling around, they're playing with lower entities in order to because they think it's gonna help them achieve something better. So life happens little by little. I'm personally going through over 6 months of cleansing process. I know where I'm going, but it seems like a never-ending process. It is very, it is very slow. Also, I understand that the biggest part of us is not enclosed within our body. It stays up there in the higher realm, and just within ourselves there is a part of our soul that's personified as the ego, and there is the I am presence. And all those pieces have to find a blend so that we free ourselves and to complete our piece within ourselves, so that all the pieces fit together. It is once we do that, we understand that we're part of a greater puzzle, and it is the divine love that glues all the pieces together, that puts it together, that makes sense, that brings about value and meaning in things. So you have to trust that things will happen in due time. And also to understand that all around your own piece of the puzzle, in order to be comfortable, you need to reconnect to your soul family, because there are many soul families. We are all one family, but each family has very, very different vibration, and is connecting to your own family that makes you feel really good, because they reinforce your energy. And human life is very, very, very short. It is just a glimpse. We have about 28,000 days to live on the earth on average, maybe 30,000 for those who live a bit longer. But essentially, we may be able to live longer if we live a healthy life and we connect to that eternal part of ourselves. However, death is not an ending, it is a new beginning, a new cycle, as far as I know. In Galactic Society, living those beings who incarnate in Galactic Society live about, in average, 2,000 years. And the first 70 years is really considered to be childhood. You don't have enough maturity. You're not allowed to procreate because you don't have enough maturity to raise children before you, at least 70 years of childhood. I know that I will eventually be called to speak more of the problems of the Earth, not the problems, but to bring about a real solution to this Earth plane. A lot of it is it's fairly easy to solve most of the problem of this world, and it will not come by stacking laws on top of each other. It will come by collective education and collective awareness so that we may be able to create a collective consciousness that will be aware of those of the potential of change, and from there the change will happen naturally and without efforts. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I thank you very much for this, for spending this time with me. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Be in joy, be one, and be in peace. Namaste.